Yo, it's Wolf. I have something very important to share with you guys. Hopefully somebody will take this information and apply it to something useful. But honestly, if we're just being real here, that probably won't happen. But at least I have that peace of mind knowing that I have obtained this knowledge and I have shared it. Okay. A lot of guys will learn all of this stuff and they will put it into a course, overcharge you for it, and then it's watered down anyways because they didn't even get the right education and they think that they're a guru and they're not, and they're just trying to make a quick buck off of you. But I have 5 years of experience trading on and off forex, gold, the S&P 500, Dow Jones, Tesla, you name it. Okay, so I know what I'm talking about. I have a lengthy track history of being profitable. I even post trades in my Discord. I even post screenshots of my charts prior to the signals that go out, so you guys can see exactly what my analysis is looking like before I place my trades and send them out to you guys. Now, I have not been active in my Discord as far as the forex side of things recently because I took a break. I took a much needed break. I always take a break from forex markets, and then I focus on other things like my businesses and other things going on, and then I jump right back into it. And every time I come back better because I have a whole fresh new perspective. Now, let's get straight to the meat of things. Pause, no diddy. I want to show you guys something that I found to be very, very interesting when I was like, I think 20 or 21 years old when I discovered this. And when I say discover, I don't mean in a way like I was the first person to realize that this is going on the chart, but this is just something that I had found pretty interesting, right? Because it's a repeating pattern, and it's been, I mean, it happens on just about any market you could think of, commodities, indices, forex, which is just short for foreign exchange. If you don't know what that is, forex is like when you go to an airport and you exchange your currency for another. That's forex. It's like you're doing it digitally, right? You're trading currencies for a profit. That's what you're doing on the forex markets. That's pretty much it. Same concept as stocks: buy low, sell high, supply and demand, resistance, support, key levels, fib, RSI, moving averages, Bollinger Bands. I mean, the tools are used across different markets because the same concepts are applied to all of these markets. It's universal. It's an algorithm. So something that I have found to be very, very interesting is that the market, no matter which market it is, right, is going to react to these key levels. And key levels, what do I mean by that, right? Key levels. So numbers that are zeroed out, for example, right? So if we look at gold, I'm at gold right now. That's what XAU USD stands for, gold/USD. So you're exchanging gold for the US dollar, vice versa. Simple as that, all right? Simple as that. Now, when I say key levels, look, all you're gonna do is go to the left here, all right? When you see this menu, you're gonna pull your horizontal line out, and then you're gonna place it on your chart, right? Once you've done that, you are gonna click on this tool button, and then you're gonna put in any number that's zeroed out. So for example, that'd be 2200. Boom. 2200. We can put another one at 2000. We can put another one at 1800. Boom. Just like that. So you see that these numbers are zeroed out, right? We got 1800, 2000, and 2200. These are different price points that I put horizontal lines at. Now, if you guys can't see those numbers, all you gotta do is just zoom in. If you're on YouTube watching this, you can just zoom in. Now, if you on Facebook watching this, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know if there's a zoom in option on Facebook, but yeah. Now, if this is even going on YouTube, dismiss what I said at the beginning when I was like, oh, you guys probably won't even apply this. Now, listen, if you're watching this on YouTube, more than likely you're gonna apply what I'm teaching you guys, all right? I meant that just for the Facebook viewers, okay? Because I'm not even gonna speak on that, but key levels, right? Key levels. So as you can see, it's the price points that you see that are zeroed out. So 1800, 2000, 2200. It wouldn't be 2160 or 2120 or 2080 or 2040 or 1960, 1920, 1880. It'll be price points like 2200, 2000, 1800. We can keep going. 1700, 1400, 1200. You know what I'm saying? 1000, 900. You know what I'm saying? Those are key levels, right? Those are key levels. I can keep going. 1600. 1600. Boom. Horizontal line there. What do you see? What do you see? Price respected it right here, right? You see that gold came up from, let's see, gold had trailed down to about 1446, and then it started trailing back up. And then you see this wick here. You see this very skinny line above this candlestick. I'm on a daily time frame, so all that means is on the smaller time frames, it came up to a point here and then it stayed there for long and then it started to drop. That's all that means, right? That's all that means. I'm not going to get into all the technicals. You know, this is more so for like people that have already have like a basic understanding of how forex works. But even if you are a beginner, you can still, you know, take notes, download the video, screen record, whatever you want to do with it. But you can see that price was reacting to this key level, right? And it's not going to be to the T. It's not going to be exactly at that price point. It's going to be in that general area. So if I draw a rectangle, right, just like that, if I draw a rectangle, then you can see what I mean. You can see where price keeps on reacting to this level. Price came up, dropped. Price came back up to this level, dropped. Went right through it here, but then it came back down to this area, created support, went back up. It went straight through it, but then it came back up to this level, reacted twice, boom. It came here, respected it, dropped again, created support, and then it's self-explanatory, right? So here's the next key level that I had drew up, 1800. 1800, what happened? Price came up, was trailing up, and then all of a sudden it gets to the 1800 range, and then wants to start consolidating, right? And this is the daily time frame again, just to let you guys know, just to remind you, this is the daily time frame. I always work from the top down, okay? What do you see happen here at this key level? Price came up to the next key level, which was 2000, went straight through it, then came back down. You may look at that as like a fake out, right? On a bigger time frame, but on a small time frame, it's not gonna really look like that. But hey, it may even look even better on a smaller time frame. Honestly, if I go to the 4-hour time frame, shoot, this is even better than the daily time frame. To be honest, to really get an understanding of what's going on, using a 4-hour time frame might just be even better, right? There's more noise, but at least you get to see a little bit more what's going on. So like, look, I'm at the 4-hour time frame right now, and I can't make this stuff up. 1800, right? You see price just keeps on coming back to this area like it's a magnet, right? Here, I'm gonna draw some circles for you. Here, and I can keep going. I can keep on going. Like price keeps on coming back to this level like it's a magnet, and it does what? It respects it. It consolidates. It creates support and resistance. Just know that at these look here, look. Came down to this key level. What did it do? Create support. Went up. Consolidated. Came back down. Respected that support level. Came up. Then it went right through. What did it do though? Didn't go too far off, right? That's still that general area. I told you it's not going to be the exact point. You know what I'm saying? It's not going to be the exact point, but it's going to be that general area, right? There's a lot of action right here around this key level. I can extend this rectangle tool and show proof. Look. There you go. It's right there in black and white, literally. In black and white. It's simple. It's simple. It's simple. And I go, and this goes to show, like, it's all an algorithm. Your trading does not have to be complicated. You do not need a million indicators. As a matter of fact, you don't even need this RSI tool. Even though it's useful, I have no problem with it. People that complain about the RSI tool, they're just not using it correctly, to be honest with you. They probably got the wrong education from a fake guru. Fortunately, I learned from someone who's actually solidified in the forex community that uses the RSI tool, so I know how to properly use it. But that's for another video, that's for another day, that's for another topic. Again, I'm on a 4-hour time frame just to show you guys like more in detail what's going on when price comes to these key levels. So if you see that price is always reacting to these key levels, then what do you think you should do when you see price, when you see gold or the S&P or whatever currency that you're trading is approaching these key levels? What do you think you should do? You should be looking to buy or sell. Simple as that. You should be looking to buy or sell, right? Now, you can't just trade strictly off of this, right? You can't just trade strictly off seeing price go to the key levels. No, but like, you have to have an analysis. You have to have a strategy. This is just something that you can add to your strategy. It's just an extra confirmation. It's just extra confluence. Okay, that's all it is. Look, I can drag this tool and it just keeps like, bro, I can't even make this up, bro. I can't make this up. I can't make this up. Skip. Look, hold on. I'm gonna delete these circles right here because we don't even need this. I like clean charts. All right. I like real clean charts. So look, this is what I'm gonna do. Okay. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just leave it like this. I'm gonna just leave it. Matter of fact, no. I'm gonna pull out that circle tool again, but I'll do it like this. And I'm only drawing this up so you can have a better understanding. I'm not doing this because I know some people are like, okay, get to the point, the more advanced traders, but not everybody's on the same level, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just trying to make this demonstration here as visually appealing as possible, you know what I'm saying? Because some people are more visual learners than others, you know what I'm saying? So, even me, myself, like I learn better when I can actually see what's going on than just reading something or hearing somebody talk about it, you know what I'm saying? Now, if we go to the next key level, which is 2,000, let's pull out our rectangle tool because, again, price is not going to, like, react to the exact point every time. It's going to be the exact point and the general area, right? So what we can do is just take this rectangle tool, drag it all the way down here, and then what do you get? You get a bunch of action around these key levels, right? I can't make this stuff up. I cannot make this stuff up, man. And then if supply and demand, support, resistance, same thing. People try to act like it's different, but it's really the same freaking thing because these key levels are psychological levels. So whenever price comes to these levels, people are looking to buy or sell, right? Supply and demand. Simple. People want to say, oh, support and resistance is not the same. Oh, that's retail. Oh, yeah. Stop it. The forex community is toxic because we have a bunch of people running around just yapping, thinking that they're better than the next trader because they have a different strategy than them. And then they're speaking, oh my gosh, bro. The things that they say is just so ignorant, but I don't want to get into all that. But you see here again, like 2,200, this is a key level. And then what happened? Price came here, dropped because it respected it, creating resistance. And then price came back up. And what happened? Dropped. Price came back up here again and it respected it again. You know what I'm saying? Like, we can drop down to the smaller time frames. I'm on a 4 hour. We can drop down to the 1 hour time frame if you want. Boom, I'm on a 1 hour time frame. Price came here and did what? Respected it, right? Price came back up here and did what? Respected it, right? Came here and did what? It respected it, right? When I say it respected it, what I mean by that is it came to that point and then it either dropped, it either trailed up and then it came to a point and dropped, or it trailed down and came to a key level and then it went up. Okay. Now, I'm not gonna make this video any much longer. I think I have pretty much made my point very, very clear here that key levels are real. Psychological levels are real. It's an algorithm, okay? It's an algorithm. All right. This goes on forever. I can keep going on and on and on. It never stops. It just keeps happening. Like, I can't make this stuff up. It's right here in black and white, as you can see it in 4K, literally on a freaking widescreen monitor. Like, this is not Photoshop. This is not AI. I didn't edit that, like, nothing. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is live. This is TradingView. This is a website that you can go use for free right now. I'm using TradingView. So, I'm not using a fake chart or anything like that. This is the real gold market today. This is the real gold market. This is the real gold market. Oh, what did I say? May 24th, right? I mean May 21st, right? It's not May 21st yet, but hold on. Let me see. That's a what? May 20th, right? May 20th, 2024. If you look at the bottom of the chart, so you know that this is the most updated chart. You know that this is real. And hopefully that you took something away from this. Hopefully that you learned something from this. But also I want to say that, again, you guys need to be very, very careful. Do not just use this solely. You want to add this to your strategy. You want to just use this for extra confirmation or confluence, whatever word you want to use, right? But that's all I got for today. Like, that's it. That's all I wanted to show you guys. I just wanted to show y'all how simple trading can be. I just wanted to show y'all how it's an algorithm. These patterns occur in many different markets. It's universal. And yeah, you have a blessed one. Peace and love. Stay safe.